Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 3rd of July 2017. So unlike Friday's Market Alert, which was a bumper edition, today is going to be a very short one because there's not a lot to report as the markets head towards tomorrow's Independence Day celebrations in the US. Big event for the US, as you would expect, and therefore the market's sideways, and I'd expect the same for today as well. So on Friday you can see in the pound that we had 4 potential signals, none of which were actually filled, and the market's fairly sideways, and on the overnight you can see this is the case as well. In the daily chart, look at the bigger picture. You can see the market's heading up to that 130 level, attempting to get there through the 129 at the moment. Just sitting there at 129.94, and of course the high of Friday is actually through the 130 level there. You can see 130.29 there. Just drag that out so you can see it. So the market through there, but struggling a bit at the moment. But again, it's because of the run up to tomorrow's US holiday. In the Dow, in the session, again very quiet from the start, and again I warned about this in the Market Alert because of the previous day's big up move. You will get a day that follows where the market needs to consolidate, and that's what we had. We had a 50-point run up, 50-point run down, and then the market became sideways. Eventually it broke here, came back, and then broke again, and then of course we don't want the market down, do we? Certainly not going into a weekend. Bring it back. So you see the market being brought back there, but just as it switched over to the overnight session, you can see that they slammed it with a 50-point drop there, and then it's been back ever since, and it's sitting just below the magical 21,400 level, which you'll see just there. Just get rid of that one. So market just sitting below. It's come back and had a look for 3 occasions through here, didn't close through here, didn't close through here, so a bit of weakness there. But again, I wouldn't expect a lot today as the market, unless something big comes out of somewhere, but I wouldn't expect too much movement as we head into the market being closed tomorrow all day for the Independence Day celebrations. So here's the bigger picture for the Dow. We've got prices attempting to move up on the overnight, up on Friday. Watch this figure here should the market move higher at the 456 level. Got to get back above the 400 first. Generally, if there's a holiday, the market will move to the upside. That's generally the case. Can't guarantee it, but that's generally what it is because of the fewer participants. A lot of people make it a 2-day celebration, and this allows the market to just go in one direction. On the news fronts, let's see what we've got today out in the US, more so than anywhere else. A lot of news last week with the central bankers. This week is the non-farm payroll figures, if I am correct. We'll know more of that when we have a look on Thursday. There'll be no Market Alert tomorrow, obviously. The market's closed, and then it'll take Wednesday's session to get back into a normal market. Manufacturing figures out at 3 PM today, high impact, but not one that's too much of a concern. And then Haldane speaking from the Monetary Policy Committee in the UK at 6:30 PM. So you might get a bit of a movement off what he's got to utter at 6:30 there. Let's have a quick look at the implied volatility. Implied volatility down on Friday, as you would expect, 867, 898. We're stuck in this sideways range still of oscillating volatility from low to high, I'd expect this to move lower as well following today if the market is sideways at 2 higher. Again, interesting to see if the market can come back and test the low down here of 762. Right, that's it for today. Like I said, it would be brief and to the point because of this run up to major holiday for the US. US government, everything closed tomorrow, so all things being equal, I will see you in Thursday's market alert. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.